Hello, Internet, and welcome to this edition of my lockpicking adventures. Today, hopefully, we are going to rake open this 5-pin Sargent Cabinet lock. I noticed the first time I tried to tackle this, I had several issues single-pin picking it. First off, the tension wrench kept slipping. But more importantly, as I went through it, I noticed that there didn't feel like there was any security pins in there that would keep me from breaking this lock open. So, we're going to see if that is true. The answer is yes, it is true. In fact, there we go. I have unlocked it for you. It doesn't feel like it works terribly well, which might be another reason the previous owners got rid of it. That, and they had lost the key and put it up for sale. So I was able to get this for extremely cheap. I actually think it cost more to ship this thing to me than the actual lock itself. So, there we go. So my ability to rake locks open have improved from the first success. It is still, however, very much an odds game. In terms of raking locks, the odds are rarely ever in my favor. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you so wish to, and have a nice day.